Hello guys, you're welcome once again to today's video. So today we are going to look at how to apply for the volunteer role in the upcoming 26 FIFA World Cup, which is happening in Canada, Mexico, and the United States. These three countries are going to host the FIFA World Cup 2026. And then, if you want to apply, we have done a video on the requirements before. We have done a video on the journey, application journey, and then we have done a video on how to create your account on the FIFA portal, and then we have also done now we are going to look at how to start your application, how to choose your host country. Okay, so this is what we are going to do today. If today is your first time, you are welcome. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. So this is how it is. After you create your account and you verify your account, this is the interface that you are going to what see. Now the first one is what select a host. The next one is what application form. The next one is online assessment. The next one is volunteer team tryout. The next one role offer. The next one shift. The next one training. The next one accreditation and uniform. The next one tournament time. The next one is what post tournament. So these are the things that we are going to take through. So let's read something after you create your account. This is what I'm going to do. You have officially joined the FIFA World Cup 2026 tournament page. So this is the page. This is your chance to be part of the beautiful game, biggest beautiful games, biggest stage. Okay. Now that we have your attention, are you ready to make your next play? Simply tell us your preferred FIFA World Cup 2026 host city. So we are going to choose our host city. But before you choose, make sure you read all these things. Now, by clicking the select host city button in the top right corner of the platform and follow the steps to apply, please note that you can only select one host city and cannot be changed. Take note. Now, if you are going to apply, decide on the host city. If you want to um, be a volunteer in Mexico, after choosing in Mexico, you can't change. After choosing United States, you can't change. If you choose Canada, you can't change. So before you choose your host city, make sure you make the right decision. So we are going to choose the host city together. As you can see, select host city. So I'll tap here the host city. Now the host city we have, the first one is Canada, we have Mexico, and then we have United States. Okay, so if I want to choose one, I'll go in, let's say I'll go in for United States. I'll tap on United States. Now, host city for United States. So these are the cities where the World Cup is going to be played. These are the cities, and we need to choose. We have Atlanta, we have the Dallas, we have Miami, Philadelphia, New York City, New Jersey, Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Boston. We have the Kansas City. Okay, so all these are the cities. Now, if you choose try, if you want to go to Canada, Canada, we have two cities, Vancouver and then Toronto. These are the cities, two cities. And if you want to volunteer in Mexico, we have these three cities: Mexico City, Montreal, and then Guadalajara. Okay, so that is the name of the city there. Don't worry. So let's say you want to volunteer in let's say United States. What do you have to do? Let's say Dallas. So you tap on Dallas, and then what you have to do is to scroll down here, and then you accept join the host city. You tap on what join the host city. Okay. So if you tap on the join the host city, it is going to load for you to move to the next stage. Now take note, we have selected um, United States, and then we choose Dallas as our host city. Once we have selected, there's no way that we can change it, as it was stated earlier. That selecting a host city means that that is the city that you want to volunteer. You cannot change it. So that is it. So let's wait for it to load. I have slow network here, so Let's wait and let's continue. Now, the next thing we are done with the host city. Now, complete application form. Now, let's read here. You are one step closer to becoming a volunteer in the Dallas at the FIFA World Cup 2026. The next step is to complete the FIFA World Cup 2026 volunteer application form by clicking button and then your online assessment. So this is what we are going to use. So this is how the process is like. So let's tap on complete the volunteer application form, and this is where it is going to take us to the volunteer application form. But take note, with this FIFA volunteer job, you are not going to be paid. You, FIFA is not going to sponsor your flights, your trip, your accommodation. Everything is going to be catered by you. So make sure you take note of that. Go to the website and read the requirements before you start your application. If you don't have money to pay for your flight, to find your own accommodation, then you don't need to try it out. Okay. So this is how it is. FIFA World Cup 26 application form. Okay, so we have 10 pages, 10 pages that you need to complete. Okay, so the FIFA World Cup 26 will be the biggest single sport event, blah blah blah. You have to take your time and read application form. This will take about 20 minutes. So if I decide to complete this application form in this video, it is going to take us 20 minutes. Then the online assessment is going to take us 10 good minutes. These are the things that you will be doing whilst you are applying for the program to join the FIFA 2026 as what a volunteer. All right, so click the open volunteer terms and conditions. You need to read the terms and conditions. Here we hit on you agree. Now consent to the privacy notice. You click to read. Make sure you read before you accept. Consent to waive and release of liability. Okay, then you accept it. Then electronic signature. Here you need to sign. Now this is electronic signature, so you are going to use your hand to sign it. Okay, as you can see, you need to use your hand and you'll be able to sign. Now, by selecting, I hereby confirm that I have read, understood, and agreed to be bound by the terms of this release. Okay, so you keep on, then you need to sign here. You need to enter your name. Sorry, here you need to enter your name to sign. But here you need to enter your date of birth is provided day, month, and year. So provide a date of month here. You accept by confirming your participation in the program, and then you move on to the next stage. This is how you can submit your application. Make sure you take your time, you read it, then you follow the process step by step to complete the application. If I decide to complete it, it's going to take about more than 30 minutes. But if you are failing and then you have any problem, you can leave it in the comment section. You can also contact me through CV underscore say Ike, and I can assist you to apply for this. Thank you for watching the video. See you. Bye bye.